Hi! Proper exciting stuff. You're going to have a proper lesson, okay? Right. 17th of March is when I recorded this. There you go. To prove I'm still in school. Flipping bells are still going. Right, let's get moving with this, okay? I just thought it'd be something different for you, and maybe you would appreciate feeling like in the classroom again, okay? I want to do section 11.5, integration by substitution, page 303. So turn to that, okay? Page 303. And I'm going to talk you through the examples. I need a lot of board space for this. So we're going to look at example 12. Okay? Example 12, which is, let me write it up, integral of x root 2x plus 5. Integral of x root 2x plus 5 dx. And you're told to do it using a particular substitution. Okay? All I've done so far is write down the question for you. And what follows is the method as to how to do it. Okay? It's on the floor. Right, so the thing to do is two things. You want to be able to substitute that into this and rewrite it in terms of u. Okay? So let's just do that. So this integral is going to become square root of u, you see, dx. Then there's two problems that remain. Now you've got an integral in terms of u and x, and you've got this dx there, okay? What you need to do is rewrite that in terms of u, okay? So from this, we can just make x the subject. So we're going to have 2x is equal to u, subtract 5, and then x is equal to 1/2 of that, half of u minus 5. We're okay with that? And then we can replace it there, you see? So you're going to have integral of half u minus 5, u to the power of 1/2. Let's write it in the next form. What do we do with this dx? That's a bit of a problem, okay? Because this dx means you integrate this in terms of x with respect to x, and these aren't x terms. You need to have a du there instead of dx. To do it, we need to differentiate this. So if u is 2x plus 5, what is du dx? That is just 2. Okay? Rearranging, I'll just do it in 2 steps for you. You can have 2 times dx is equal to du, and dx is equal to du divided by 2. Happy with that? So that means this here, you can write as du divided by 2, like that. Okay? And I'm going to put the divide by 2 bit in with this to make that 1/4. And that is now an integration you can do because it's just a case of expanding the brackets and integrating with respect to u. Okay? The whole purpose of substitution is to make a difficult integral into an easier one. That is the whole point of it. Okay? Done properly, then that's what it should do for you. I'm just going to expand the brackets here. So this will be 1/4 u to the power of 3 over 2, and then subtract 5 over 4, u to the power of 1/2. All of that needs to be integrated. Okay, so that's du. So let's just go ahead and do this. So u to the power of 5 over 2 times by 2/5 times by 1/4. So that's going to be 2 20ths. And then subtract, this will be u to the power of 3 over 2 times by 2/3 times by 5/4, so that's 10 over 12, and then the plus c. You can simplify these fractions, but we're not at all finished. The reason is, our question says integrate this with respect to x, our answer needs to be in terms of x, okay? So our final answer, I'm going to write it here, integral, sometimes use capital I to represent the integral, because it's a nice shorthand notation. And here I'm going to simplify the fraction, see, 1/10, u is this, so 2x plus 5 to the power of 5 over 2, and then subtract 10/12, 5/6, and then that's going to be u, which is 2x plus 5 to the power of 3 over 2, plus c. And that is it, that's your final answer, okay? And if you check with the working of the textbook, it does exactly the same thing, okay? Pretty much writes it exactly the same form, okay? There's no point in simplifying these terms. If all you're asked to do is just to integrate something, Don't get hung up about simplifying your answer. Leave it like that. That will give you full marks, okay? I'm just going to check my recording, make sure it's come out properly, and if successful, I'll do another one. Maybe I'll see you again soon.